hiccups. Stevie the squirrel has a horrible case of the hiccups. He hiccups all the way home. He hiccups at the dinner table. Try drinking a glass of water upside down. Stevie's sister tries not to laugh. It's not working. Stevie is getting fed up with his hiccups now. You need someone to scare you. That always works. You could try holding your breath. Hold it till they're gone, like this. Stevie's sister jumps down from her chair and takes a big breath in, puffing out her cheeks. Sis, are you okay? Aw, that's so not funny. You scared me. Bet your hiccups are gone, though, aren't they? Randall the Rabbit's birthday. Today is Randall the Rabbit's birthday. He's busy getting prepared to have all his friends around for a garden party in the afternoon. He's made carrot sticks and lots of wobbly jelly. He sets everything up, laying picnic blankets on the ground for friends to sit and play. Randall hums as he listens to the radio and arranges things for the party. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. And now for the local weather report. It seems there will be some unexpected and heavy thunderstorms this afternoon. We suggest you stay indoors. Oh no, my party! Poor Randall is so disappointed. He tries hard not to cry as he brings the food inside and starts to call his friends. My burrow is so small that there's no way to fit everyone in, especially not Basil the Badger. But Fergie Fox has a plan. Just go inside, everybody. Take everything, said Fergie. I've joined our burrows, Randall. Look, it's huge. And what a party they have. The ground above even shakes with the beat of the birthday music.